section C from 2025 SET-2 paper. Section B and section A we discussed in the previous video. See here 26th question. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. This type of questions we discussed in the previous video. And next to B question, that is state the fundamental theorem of arithmetic and use it to find LCM of 36 and 54. What is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic? Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. This is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, and find the LCM of 36 and 54 using prime factorization method. 36 we can write as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and 54 we can write as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. First to write the common factors, that is 2 into 3 into 3, and write the uncommon factors, that are 2 into 3. So LCM of 36 and 54 is product of common factors and product of uncommon factors. That is nothing but 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 3. So the LCM of 36 and 54 is 108. Next, 27th question. Find the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 3x square minus 2x minus 1 and verify the relationship. Question. This is given the p of x is equal to 3x square minus 2x minus 1. This is from here. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 1. Now split the middle term, that is 3 into 1 3. We can write minus 2x as minus 3x plus x. 3x square minus 3x plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Take the common 3x, that is x minus 1 plus 1 common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to minus 1 means x is equal to minus 1 by 3 and x is equal to 1 is the two zeros of the given quadratic polynomial. Now let alpha is equal to minus 1 by 3 and beta is equal to 1. Sum of the zeros. First find the sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is 2 by 3. And using formula also find the sum of zeros, that is minus b by a. You know b value and a value, that is minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. So this answer should be same. Okay. Next, product of zeros alpha beta, that is minus 1 by 3 into 1, nothing but minus 1 by 3. So using formula, product of zeros is equal to c by a. Anyway, we know the c value and a value. Substitute in that, minus 1 by 3 is the product of zeros. Next question. This is the graph question. Graph question we discuss later. Next, 28B question. Here, an academy offering cricket coaching bought 10 bats and 5 balls for rupees 32,500. Later, the academy bought 2 bats and 8 balls for 10,000. If there is no change in the cost of the bat and ball, find the cost of one ball and one bat. We don't know the bat and ball price, so let the bat be x and ball be y. From first, that is 10 bats and 5 balls are for 32,500. 2x plus 8, that is 10x plus 5y is equal to 32,500. Take the 2, here 5 is a common, so 2x plus y is equal to 6,500. That is first equation. According to the question, the second equation is 2x plus 8y is equal to 10,000. Now solve the 1 and 2 equations, that is minus 2x cancel. Minus 7y is equal to 3,500, y is equal to 500. Substitute y value in equation number 1, that is 2x plus y. In the place of y, substitute 500 is equal to 6,500. 2x is equal to 6,500 minus 500. So 2x is equal to 6,000. So x is equal to 6,000 by 2, nothing but x is equal to 3,000. So one bat cost is 3,000 and ball cost is 500. Next here, in the given figure, TP and TQ are tangents at point P and Q of the circle respectively. If reflex POQ is equal to 250 degree, find the measure of each angle of quadrilateral POQ2 QT. Here the given reflex angle POQ, TP and TQ are two tangents. We need to find each and every angle in the POQ to quadrilateral. Reflex angle POQ is equal to 250 degrees. We need to find the minor angle POQ. Subtract from the 360. 360 minus 250 is equal to 110 degrees. Here TP and TQ are tangents. So So here angle TPO and TQO is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because we know one theorem, that is tangents perpendicular to the radius is equal to 90 degrees. Next, PTQ is equal to 180 minus angle POQ. That is here angle PTQ is equals to 180 minus 110. So angle PTQ is equal to 70 degrees. Now write the every angle, like all angles of quadrilateral POQT is equal to angle P is equal to angle TPO is equal to 90, angle O is equal to 110, angle T is equal to 70 and angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Next 30 question, that is prove that cos theta by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to 2 secant theta. Here take the LCM 1 plus sin theta cos theta and cos theta into cos theta cos square theta plus 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta 1 plus sin theta whole square. Now split like a plus b whole square formula. This is cos square theta plus this is a plus b whole square 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta by 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. Here cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin theta by remaining denominator is same. Here 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 plus 2 sin theta by 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. Here take the common 2 out, that is 1 plus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta gets cancelled. That is 2 by cos theta is equal to 2 secant theta. LHS is equal to RHS. Next, last question from section C, that is 31 question. Here they given one wheel here. If this spin, it will get 1 to 10 numbers are there. They given one question here. A prime number greater than 2. Prime number means the number that is divisible by 1 and itself, that is called prime number. Here what is the total number of outcomes? Number of s is equal to 10. A prime number greater than 2. Greater than 2 prime numbers are 3, 5, 7. So number of e is equal to 3. To find P of is equal to number of E by number of S, that is 3 by 10 is the first answer. Next, second answer, an odd number less than 9. Odd number less than 9, 1, 3, 5, 7 and number of E is equal to 4. Number of S is equal to 10. So 4 by 10 is the second question answer. Next, third question, a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 is 4 and 8, that is 2. Number of E is equal to 2. P of is equal to number of E by number of S, that is 2 by 10, nothing but 1 by 5. Centimeter square. If the sum of their perimeters is 280 centimeters, find the sides of the two given squares. Here we don't know the side length of the two squares. So the side length of two squares be S1 and S2. To find the perimeter of a square, we have formula 4S. So the given sum of their perimeters is 280 centimeters. 4s1 plus 4s2 is equal to 280. Take the 4 common. S1 plus S2 is equal to 70. From that, write S2 value, that is 70 minus S1. Now, area of square is equal to S square. Sum of areas is 2650 centimeters square. According to the question, S1 square plus S2 square is equal to 2650, that is second equation. Substitute S2 value in second equation, that is S1 square plus 70 minus S1 whole square is equal to 2650. Split S1 square, this is A minus B whole square formula, that is 4900 minus 140 S1 plus S1 square is equal to 2650. This is here S1 square, S1 square. So that is 2 S1 square minus 140 S1 plus 4900 minus 2650 is equal to 0. 2 S1 square minus 140 S1. If you subtract, you get 2250 is equal to 0. Again 2 is common, take the 2 common out, you get S1 square minus 70 S1 plus 1125 is equal to 0. Do middle term expansion for this question. S1 square minus 45 S1 minus 25 S1 plus 1125 is equal to 0. S1 is common, S1 minus 45 minus 25 is common, S1 minus 45. So S1 minus 45 is equal to 0, 1 and S1 minus 21 is equal to 0, another one. So S1 is equal to 45 and S1 is equal to 25. Next question. Here they given one equation. We need to convert into quadratic polynomial and find the roots for the given equation. 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 3. Take the LCM x into x minus 2. Here x minus 2 minus x. So minus x plus x gets cancelled. Minus 2 by x into x minus 2 is equal to 3 by 1. Do cross multiplication, that is minus 2 into 1 nothing but minus 2 is equal to 3x into x minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 3x square minus 6x. So 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Compare a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 2. Apply minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. If you apply the formula, you get minus 6 plus or minus under root of 36 minus 24 by 6. We can write as minus 6 plus or minus under root of 12 by 6. Minus 6 plus or minus root 12 we can write as 2 root 3 by 6. So 2 is common, minus 3 plus or minus root 3 by 6. 2 1 is 2 3 is. So the roots are minus 3 plus root 3 by 3 and minus 3 minus root 3 by 3. Next, 33 question. Here the given OA into OC is equal to OB into OD. Using SAS criteria, we need to prove AD is parallel to CB. Here, first to write the given OA into OC is equal to OB into OD. OA by OB is equal to OD by OC. That is the first equation. Now, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Why? Because that are vertically opposite angles. Now, consider two triangles, angle AOD and BOC. Angle AOD and angle BOC. From the two triangles, OA by OB is equal to OD by OC, that is given. OA is equal to OD and OB is equal to OC. Angle AOC is equal to BOC, common angle. That is SCA. Using SCA criteria, we can say that a triangle OAD is congruent to triangle OBC. By CPCP, we can write angle OAD is equal to angle OBC. Here AD and CB are alternate interior angles of transversal OB. So alternate interior angles are equal, then we can set the lines are parallel. So AD is parallel to CB, hence proved. Next here, wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from the one end of the solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 cm and the diameter of the cylinder is 14 cm, find the total surface area of the remaining wooden article. See, here is the given cylinder height, that is 10 cm, diameter of the cylinder 14 cm. From this we can write radius of the cylinder, that is 14 by 2, 7 cm. Now radius of hemisphere is also 7 cm. To find the total surface area of the solid, we want to find three formulas, that is curved surface area of cylinder, area of circular base and curved surface area of hemisphere. So the total surface area of solid is equal to CSA of cylinder plus area of circular base plus curved surface area of hemisphere. If you substitute the formulas 2 pi rh plus pi r square plus 2 pi r square, that is 2 pi rh plus 3 pi r square. Pi r is common, that is 2h plus 3r. Here pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into 7. Here 2 into h is nothing but 10 plus 3 into 7. 22 into 20 plus 21, that is 22 into 41. The answer is 902 centimeters square. Next question, 35 question. Here the given class intervals and frequency, we need to find the median. To find the median, we need to write cumulative frequency for the question. These are class intervals, frequency. How to write cumulative frequency? First 8 is same and after that add the next number to 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 12 is 29. 29 plus 5 is 34 and 34 plus 6 is 40. Now the n value is 40. Find the n by 2 value, that is 20. Where is the 20 will come? In 29 line. This is called F and this is lower limit 140. And above the frequency, that is cumulative frequency, that is 17. And h is nothing but class size, that is 100 to 120. How many numbers are there? 20 numbers. So class size which is equal to 20. Substitute the formula, in median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into h. L we know 140 plus n by 2 is 20 minus Cf is 17 by 12 into 20. 140 plus 20 minus 17, 3 by 12 into 20. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 5 ja. 140 plus 5 median is equal to 145. In the next question they given mean, that is 30 students, and here we need to find x and y values. See here, to find the mean, they given class intervals f5 we know. To find the mean we need to find xi, that is 0 plus 4 by 2, nothing but 2, like that 2. After that how much difference is there? 4. So add 4 to each and every number, that is 2 plus 4 6 plus 4 10, like that you get xi value, and multiply f by xi, that is 1 into 2 2, 8 6 are 48, x into 10 10x, like that. Next here find summation fi, that is add everything 1 plus 8 plus x plus 6 plus 5 plus y, that is equal to the given 30. So if you add you get x plus y is equal to 10. That is the first equation. And in the second equation summation fi xi value, add 224 plus 10x plus 22y, this is summation fi xi value. To find the mean, x bar is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. Write the summation fi xi value by 30 is equal to the given mean is equal to 12. 12 by 1, cross multiplication. Here 224 plus 10x plus 22y is equal to 360. Here 10x plus 22y is equal to 360 minus 224. Here 10x plus 22y is equal to, this is 136, minus 136 is equal to 0. Take the common 2 here, you get 5x plus 11y minus 68 is equal to 0. Solve 1 and 2. If you solve 1 and 2, you get y is equal to 3, and substitute the y value in equation 1, that is x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. X plus 3 minus 10 is equal to 0. X minus 7 is equal to 0. X value is 7 and y value is 3. And next in section D, case study questions also there. We'll make one video for that questions. And thank you. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more videos.